Hello guys, so first of all you will open Word file, then at the top of your screen here you can see the option insert. You click there and then you will go through the option pictures. Then you go to the device and from your device you select any picture that you want to insert into your Word file. You select the picture and after that you'll see your picture has been inserted into Word file. Now here I cannot move it. I'm pressing it but I cannot move it. See, it is not movable. So what I'll do, I'll click the picture and here you can see it's wrap text. I'll press that or simply I'll press right mouse and then I'll go to the wrap text and then I'll press tight. Now you can see I can move it. Then to crop this file, I'll simply double click the photo and at the extreme right corner of your screen you can see the option crop. Just click there and now you can crop this image as you want. You can crop it this way or simply you can crop it along longitudinal side or you can crop it along the shorter side. That's how you can crop it, and you will press outside of this picture and your photo would be cropped. The next option is to add graphics. You just click the picture and top of your screen you see the graphics. You can add any graphics you want. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more short videos like this.